Ever met someone who walked into a room and instantly owned it, without even saying a word? That's not luck, that's presence. In this video, I'll show you the science and strategies behind building an intimidating personality that makes people stop, listen, and respect you. First, let's clear the air. Intimidation isn't about being rude or dominating people. Research from the Journal of Nonverbal Behavior shows that intimidation is often linked to perceived status and competence, not aggression. People feel intimidated when they sense you have control, certainty, and boundaries. When I started my first leadership role, I wasn't taken seriously at first. I thought working harder would do the trick, but it wasn't until I changed how I carried myself that things shifted. Suddenly, I didn't have to ask for respect. It just happened. Number 2, the power of body language. Harvard professor Amy Cuddy's research on power poses showed that standing tall, opening your shoulders, and taking up space not only changes how others see you, but also how you feel about yourself. Even just 2 minutes in a power pose can increase testosterone and lower cortisol. Try this right now. Stand up, roll your shoulders back, lift your chin slightly. Notice how different you feel? Think about your boss, your teacher, or even that one friend who somehow always leads the group. Chances are, they never hunch or shrink themselves. If you want to achieve something specific, you should use these characteristics to make yourself heard and thus strengthen your argument. Mastering eye contact and voice. Studies in psychological science show that people who maintain steady, but not creepy eye contact are perceived as more dominant. Combine that with a calm, measured voice, and you instantly increase your intimidating presence. Next time you speak, slow down. Silence between sentences actually makes people hang on your words. Don't rush to fill the gap. Own the pause. Think of Morgan Freeman or James Earl Jones. Their voices are slow, calm, and commanding. They don't need to shout. Number 4, setting boundaries and self-respect. One of the most intimidating traits, clear boundaries. A study in the Journal of Personality and Social Psychology found that people who say no firmly are perceived as more powerful and respected. I used to say yes to every favor at work. Guess what? I was exhausted and nobody saw me as a leader. Once I started drawing the line, politely but firmly, people actually valued my time more. This allowed me to be a respectable and effective team leader. I was strict when necessary, but still understanding when faced with special challenges. What's harder for you? Saying no or holding eye contact? Drop it in the comments. Dressing the part. Like it or not, appearance matters. A study from social psychological and personality science found that people in tailored clothing were seen as more competent and authoritative. It's not about expensive brands. It's about fit, cleanliness, and simplicity. Clothes make the man, as the saying goes. Every day, I made sure to look appropriate for the position. Sometimes a suit, sometimes nice linen pants and a neat shirt, or just jeans and a polo shirt. On summer days, I always wore long pants despite the heat. It sounds strange, but wearing shorts as a manager makes people lose respect for you. Think Steve Jobs, simple black turtleneck, jeans, sneakers, minimal but iconic. Number 6, the psychology of silence. Here's a surprising one. Intimidating people aren't the loudest in the room. They're often the quietest. Why? Because silence creates curiosity. People start wondering what you're thinking. In meetings, I noticed the most powerful person often spoke last. Everyone leaned in, waiting. Silence built anticipation. Try it. Instead of immediately responding, pause, breathe, and then answer. From my own experience, I can confirm that waiting for answers increases attention enormously. At important meetings, I spoke slowly and with lots of pauses. Others, on the other hand, rattled off their text and wanted to run out of the room after the presentation. A clear sign of weak self-confidence and self-assessment. And even if everything you say may not be right, stay confident and make your point clear. the inner game, confidence and purpose. Confidence comes from knowing your value. Studies show that people with a clear sense of purpose are seen as stronger and more resilient. When you know why you're here and what you stand for, others feel it. Once I aligned my actions with my values, I no longer had to fake self-confidence. It came naturally. So be passionate about something and stand up for it. Then the spark will jump to other people all by itself. People will treat you with respect and recognition. Be authentic and captivating when you show your passion for something. Putting it all together. So, body language, voice, boundaries, style, silence, and inner purpose. Combine these and you'll naturally project an intimidating personality. Remember, the goal isn't to scare people, it's to command respect. Now it's your turn. Which of these strategies will you start practicing today? Comment below. I'd love to hear. And if you found this video to be a wake-up call or a confirmation, hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with someone who wants to level up their presence. Until next time, walk tall.